All right, everybody. You've been asking for my opinion on what happens at Evernote, and they published a feature in Evernote to me. This is the last nail in the coffin, but we will see how things will go in 2023. You might have heard that Evernote has been acquired by Bending Spoons, a company that's not really known for productivity tools or anything like that. I want to share with you something from a different perspective that shows me that Evernote, the big elephant in the room, is about to die. And I'm very sad about this because Evernote made me go paperless. I'm still using Evernote to scan my documents, my paper documents, directly to Evernote because Evernote makes them searchable. However, that's the only reason why I'm still using Evernote. Coming to all the other features like note-taking, I'm not using Evernote at all anymore. I interviewed Ian Small, CEO of Evernote, 2 years ago. And back then, Rome Research was just published. Obsidian was not really a thing. Back then, I told Ian Small, what you need to do is create backlinks inside Evernote. Give people the option to connect notes with each other. Already 10 years ago, when I started using Evernote, I was looking for ways how I can connect my notes, how I can make them visually on a graph and things like that. And I always thought, why is nobody taking the chance at Evernote to implement this? Well, probably they thought that's not necessary because they are so big. Then, after Rome Research came out, I made a video about Notion. If they add backlinks, this would change everything. And they added the backlinks to Notion. Now we have interconnected notes, we have interconnected databases. I made even a course about how you can connect your notes inside Notion. And now everybody who is in the PKM space, the personal knowledge management space, knows about backlinks. Back then in an interview with Ian Small, I said, why don't you improve how to use tags? Why can't I just mention tags inside the text of my notes? And to my question, how many people are actually using tags? He said,
The issue is that tag users are less than 2% of our audience.
only 2% of people using Evernote using tags. And my response in this interview was, well, they probably don't know how to use tags, how to implement this in your notes, and how to take advantage of tags versus folders. And then we saw the big announcement, the changes at Evernote, and they implemented things like task management and the Home Hub and so on. I again saw the potential on the Home Hub, but I don't know why they've been focusing on things that, in my opinion, destroys the whole tool. Now they try to serve everybody, so they have their all-in-one solution, task management and things like that. In my opinion, Evernote should have focused on note-taking and knowledge management and allow people to interconnect things. And now we come to the point where I just saw a feature announcement and a tutorial where they show how to use it. And I thought, man, this cannot be true.
To add the link, you can use the Insert menu or a keyboard shortcut. From here, you can either search for the note or select it from the list. Click Insert to add the link.
This is really their take on connecting notes with each other. Not even talking about backlinks, just talking about connecting notes. And I heard it in the past that people say, well, you can use the link to another node and paste the link into the other node. No, that's not productive. That's adding friction. I need to go to the other node. I need to find it. And now that's how you can add now node links. That's the feature. Where is using the @ sign and then search for a node inside my text? Where is the slash that I just need to tap and then have some comments that I can change things inside my node? No, man. This is just so not 2022, and it is absolutely not 2023. And here I make a statement now. ClickUp 3.0, I reached out to Seb on Twitter asking if PDFs will become searchable with ClickUp 3.0. And he said, yes, they will become searchable. So the content of the PDF files are searchable. And that's something only Evernote was providing to me in the best way possible. Obviously, Dropbox, G Drive, and the cloud storages, they provide this as well. However, Evernote was easier to find the PDFs later on. Now, this coming to ClickUp, that might be the moment where I completely switch my paper document management to ClickUp, because there's no further need for me to use Evernote then. And that's something that why I was never able to use Notion for my paper work, because if you add PDF files to a database in Notion, not even the title is searchable of the PDF file. So for this reason, if ClickUp really provides this feature, well, that would be the moment I will switch from Evernote to ClickUp. And when they keep implementing features like this and now acquired by a company who are more in the marketing space, well, there was the assumption that AI is now being improved in Evernote. I doubt it. I doubt it when they don't even have ways to connect notes with each other. I have no idea what AI should do then. Maybe AI could understand your notes and find the connections like mem, right? And finds the information between the different notes. But again, if mem would have acquired Evernote, for example, or Evernote would have acquired mem, that's another thing, right? This would bring a lot more hope than what I saw here now with the acquirement. All right, people, guys, this is just my opinion on this, my personal opinion. You asked for it, there it is. And well, let's see what 2023 brings to the table. I'm not afraid if Evernote disappears, because I think there are loads of different alternatives out there. And as I mentioned with the PDF search also coming to other tools, there are plenty of other alternatives. And that's why I'm scanning already my paper documents, not only to Evernote, I also scan it to Dropbox and G Drive, all with one click of a button using my Raven scanner, a cloud scanner. And that's why I'm okay. I'm sad about the potential that Evernote had, and they didn't take the advantage of their position 2 years ago. To me, the features they should have added were very obvious, but well, that's business. And it seems the decisions in this business weren't made by people who are really in the productivity space or know how to leverage technology compared to a paper notebook. Sorry, to be brutally honest, that's my opinion. That's for it today. I catch you guys up next time.
Everybody's talking about the movement that keeps moving. Got the tools to get you through